Hey, it's hair porn. Yes. Remember last week we were talking about wash day? And that was what this is about too. That was just part one, showing you how I pre-poo and showing you how to detangle using this and having it in twist as you see. Now give me a few seconds and I'll be right back and I'm going to tell you about what I'm going to do for wash day. It's me, I'm JC, Jermaine JC. It's whatever they call me. This is wash day part 2. This is the physical washing. And I'm going to be showing you all the products I'm using for wash. For like shampooing, conditioning, and stuff like that. Now, that being said, got to get this ball going. I'm using this right here. This is the Shea Moisture by Jamaican. This is the Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. Yes. And to condition my hair, I'm going to be using the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. What I want to do before I go to the mask, the most important part about this is that I want you to understand that my wash day does vary. I use 3 different products for wash day, and I do a separate thing for, like, say, if I want to do a co-wash. That needs to be set to you first and foremost, because no lie to you, it's not always the same results. A co-wash means just using one product and that's it. I'm using masks just in case, just for the hell of it. Wash day for me means that I'm doing shampoo, conditioner, and a mask. Now that being said, for all the men and women out there, do you need all 3 products? No. Some people would do shampoo, mask, that's it. Some people won't. And the reason I'm doing like this in detail so you can get every video to be separate. And so when you do your wash day, say next week or this week, once you watch both videos and you feel like you're ready, all you need to do now is go from step 1. And real quickly with this product line, what I love about Shea Moisture is that they do key ingredients. This key ingredients is right here, and the ingredients are all right there at the bottom of the key ingredients. This has coconut oil, silk protein, and hemp oil. All great things, so I'm gonna read all of them to you. I've done a full video for this before, but why not right now? Coconut oil hydrates and protects hair while reducing breakage. That's a great thing. Then it has silk protein, which is smoothest for a soft silky feel. And then lastly, it controls frizz while adding a brilliant shine. That's the hemp oil. So that's the 3 products for that. And these both have the same key ingredients, so there's no point of reading both of them. And lastly, since I love my mask, and it's been a minute since I've used one, right here. This is the Shea Moisture Black Jamaican Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. Now this core ingredients has shea butter, and it has peppermint, and it's apple cider vinegar. I love this. This is one of my things. This is one of my favorite things in the world. So real quickly, I'm going to do step 1 and step 2 and step 3. So it's going to be a lot of stop-start. Main reason why, because I'm not set up for that. And that's kind of cool, because I want y'all to understand, first and foremost, is that when you do wash day, the most important for y'all to understand is not so much washing. You do my own process, it's for you to have your own feel. Now, I do have utensils that I will use for my shampoo, which y'all saw this in the last video. This right here is a shampoo comb. Now, what it does is when I add my shampoo, I'll go like this at the roots and tie it so it gets all in, and it helps scrub your scalp. Now, do you need this tool? No, but how much was this tool? $1. So that's kind of why I talk about that. Now, as far as everything else, what you can also do is use your finger to detangle. So what you're going to do is this. This is to massage your scalp. During wash day, the one thing about promoting hair growth is if you do like this. You go like this. You see how it has like a claw? Just like this, how it went back and forth. And you just go back like that. All that. So you're scratching your scalp, and it's going to help. Yeah, it's going to help your hair grow. Alright, ready for start? Ready? I'm going to start with the shampoo, and I'll be right back. Hair porn, don't you want to? Alright, and a real way to say this to you, it's kind of hard to do all this process. As I said before, start. It's really hard. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to show you my first step, which means the shampoo. But because of this, I naturally cannot, I may not be able to. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try. Now I say this right down first. So first I'm gonna do the shampoo and I'm gonna put some in my hair real quick. My hair is still wet. So you're just gonna go like this with your hand. Yeah, this one never been open. But first, real quickly, what you're gonna do now, put it in your hand like that. Now this is a dime size amount, which well, a little bit heavier than that. I know better, but I know me. I'm gonna need it. So right now, what you do first is get to your scalp. Go all over your scalp. This is the shampoo part. Once again, since I feel like I didn't do enough, and it's not over my scalp. I need to be in my roots, basically. So go like that, and you just kind of just go right there, and till you have all of it done. Now for a little pre-gaming, I'm gonna go ahead and start. This is the same if I was in the shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead and like this to my roots, all over. And if you want to use this, I bought this at like a local kind of like Family Dollar, Dollar Tree. If you have that unit, if you have that, that's where I got this one from. But you can get this anywhere. And literally, it was I think it was $1 or $2 max. And yeah, so I just took at the roots. And as you see, the shampoo's in it. Like I told y'all before, with shampoo, you do not necessarily need to put it on all your strands of your hair. That's not really a necessary thing. That's really just for conditioning your hair. Now, if you choose to, cool. Actually, if it gets on there, that's okay too. What do I do next? I'll show you from the before and after, which is this is the before with the shampoo, and then I'm gonna show you after. And I'm gonna apply my conditioner, and then I'm gonna use my mask. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hair porn Tuesdays. Don't you wanna? So the shampoo's done. As y'all see, my hair is wet now. And you see the roots being more lifted than it was before. Okay, yep, no take twos, no take twos. Now, no lie to you, when it comes to conditioning, I'm gonna keep pumping like crazy. This is how my pumps go. Now, what you notice a lot with the shampoos, conditioners, this conditioner is very creamy. And the shampoo, even though I didn't show you the consistency, the goal for the shampoo sometimes is this. The shampoo has more of a mixture of, so it can help get rid of debris and all that kind of gunk on your hair, especially for your scalp. Whereas conditioning is, I'm not going to fully go there because I'm not going to lie, I may not get the information right, which sucks. And I want to sound crazy. Now, as you see, I'm going to keep pumping away. Now, as I told you before, when it comes to conditioning, you can get all your strands. I'm going to go like at the twist. Now, no lie, my twist may unravel. I may unravel myself. That's my choice. I mean, say if you do this, naturally I actually sometimes unravel the twist. You get bigger twists, and it's kind of just its own process in itself. Like that. Now you just add it in. Now, because I'm going to do my mask, this is going to kind of be like more of a rinse in, rinse out. But I'm going to try and let's get all the strands, get it all wet, and then come back with my mask. So, part 2 of the wash day is continuing. Hair point Tuesdays, don't you want? Alright. I just conditioned, as y'all see. Now, I dried a little bit too, because I'm not going to lie, I need a little bit of a drying situation to have all that moisture. Yes. And actually, my twist did not unravel, which you're getting there though. Which that's really great because that's kind of cool. If it doesn't unravel, if your hair does not unravel, that's actually a plus. Because say if styling is next, your hair's always gonna do that. But that may mess up with this. The mask. Now, as y'all know, as Bays is gonna be told, I go with the brain hair method just like it's before. As always, I just kind of go just like this. Like that. And then I kind of get right there. What I do next, literally speaking, is add more product to every strand. And then what I'm going to do is this. I just go down every strand like that. because over time I've kind of perfected my getting my mask on, since it takes 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so prep work. Using my mask for 5 to 10 minutes, that's as much as I do. People say, well, how long do you do it? 10 minutes max for myself. If you're a man out there, if you want 30 minutes, cool. I don't think it really does change anything. The mask says 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. If you want to do like put a cover over it, then get a hot towel, that will work. I will say it should help anything. But if you want to do like I'm about to do, which is really simple, but watch this. See this? So I'm gonna do pretty much just for the next 5 minutes. And that's it. As you see, the twist is still in, as I told you before. That's important. And I'm just trying my best to just scratch all over. And that's it. And literally speaking, part 3 is next week. So what I'm going to tell you right now is this. We're going to leave this like this. And then next week, I'm going to show you how I wash this out. And then we're going to use the styling product. That way, it will leave you more with the mystery. Because now you know my whole wash day, just wash day. Whereas styling is next. And we can use the styling for whatever video you use it for. So, with all that said, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I didn't say it at the beginning. But if you want to see another video, you know what I'm saying? Cool. If you want to watch the last week's video, go up here. If you watch the video before that with hair porn or any other video I have, go right here. And that's it. If you like what I'm doing right now, my hair and stuff like that, like I said before, say it again, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next week for the last installment of all of this for wash day. Yes. Catch you later.